In ancient Israel, Bathsheba was known for her beauty and grace, living a simple life until one fateful day when King David first laid eyes on her from his palace. Their chance encounter led to a forbidden love that would spark scandal and tragedy, eventually putting Bathsheba in a position to choose between her devotion to Uriah and the powerful allure of King David. As the weight of his desires bore down on him, King David sent Uriah into battle, hoping to cover his sins. But the repercussions of deceit were far from over. In the aftermath of a devastating battle, Nathan confronted David, unveiling the truth of his actions and igniting a path of repentance for the once mighty king. With a heavy heart, David sought redemption while Bathsheba embraced motherhood, understanding that their choices would forever alter the course of their lives and the future of Israel. In time, Bathsheba grew into a powerful figure in her own right, guiding her son Solomon as King David's legacy transformed into one of wisdom and learning for future generations. Under King Solomon's rule, Israel flourished, marked by wisdom, wealth, and the construction of a magnificent temple, fulfilling David's dream and solidifying a legacy that would resonate through time. As peace reigned, Solomon embraced his role as a wise and benevolent king, fostering a culture of learning and prosperity while his court thrived in celebration. United in purpose, Queen Bathsheba and King Solomon worked together to build a legacy of harmony and enlightenment, their partnership exemplifying strength and devotion. As alliances flourished and trade routes thrived, Solomon's wisdom and diplomacy turned Israel into a beacon of hope and prosperity for surrounding nations. The tales of Solomon's wisdom spread far and wide, becoming legends that transcended time, while Jerusalem stood as a testament to his monumental achievements and the hope he inspired in generations to come. In his later years, King Solomon dedicated himself to imparting his knowledge, leaving behind a legacy of wisdom that would guide future leaders, while his kingdom thrived in abundance and beauty. With deep contemplation and a heart-seeking understanding, Solomon pondered the complexities of leadership, realizing that true wisdom lay not just in knowledge, but in the humility to learn. Facing challenges and dissent, Solomon stood resolute, demonstrating that true leadership often requires courage and integrity as he fought for justice in a thriving society. In the serenity of nature, Solomon found solace using his reflections to shape the laws that governed his land, ensuring that justice and wisdom remained at the heart of his reign. As the city celebrated his leadership, Solomon's influence stretched far beyond borders, earning him the admiration of allies and rivals alike for his unwavering commitment to peace and prosperity. With unwavering poise, Solomon addressed the needs and grievances of his people, reinforcing his legacy as a king who prioritized justice, ensuring that every voice was heard in his flourishing kingdom.